Not satisfied with the default text size or layout on your Xiaomi Redmi A5? Good news, you can easily adjust the display size and text settings to make everything on your phone easier to read or fit more content on screen. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Display. Under the Appearance section, tap Display Size and Text. Here, you'll find controls for font size, display size, bold text, and contrast. To adjust the font size, drag the slider left or right. Dragging it to the left makes text smaller so more words fit on the screen, while dragging to the right makes text larger for easier reading. You'll see the preview update in real time. To adjust the display size, use the other slider beneath it. This changes the overall scaling of your phone's interface. Slide left to make icons, menus, and buttons smaller, or slide right to make everything bigger. You also have a toggle for bold text. Turn this on if you prefer thicker, more visible letters. It's especially helpful for people with vision difficulties. Another useful option is high contrast text. Turn this on to switch the text color to black or white, maximizing contrast against the background. This makes text stand out clearly, even on bright wallpapers. And here's a pro tip. If your screen ever looks messy or things don't display correctly after experimenting with these settings, you don't have to panic. Just tap Reset Settings at the bottom of the menu, then confirm by tapping Reset in the pop-up. This instantly restores everything back to default. These adjustments apply system-wide, so you'll notice the changes as you navigate your phone, read messages, or browse apps. For example, you can make the text larger for late-night reading, then switch back to smaller text during the day to fit more content on screen. Simple, fast, and it makes your Redmi A5 feel more personal and comfortable to use. And that's it. If this video helped you customize your display and text settings, give it a like, and check out my other Xiaomi Redmi A5 tutorials for more ways to master your device. Thanks for watching.